Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Brett, here with my wife Nicole and our four lovely children, Maverick, Maxton, Malachi, and McKaylin. We love going out in the outdoors and camping and having a great time. Here's our converted schoolie bus. Here's our travel trailer. Here's our pop-up camper. And sometimes we even get cabins. We really enjoy going to the mountains, especially going out to Case Cove, which is where these pictures come from. Get out on the water and do some fishing from time to time. Love camping. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Alright guys, today we're at Hickory Knob State Resort Park. Let's see what it's all about. Kind of woody. No. Alright, here at the campground. I'm gonna do a little drive through for you, hound. I think this guy here is on one campsite. Wow. This section's closed for the city. Pretty sure we stayed right there. Or right there, one of them. There's the bathhouse. Put him here, put him here. Alright, here's the dumpster area. Dump the holding tanks. And they got trash. Set up with the same area there. Let's check out trash. This campground does have its own golf course. A little lime green there. Sorry about the wind noise. I'm sure that was a little loud. Pretty nice course here though. Haven't played it personally, but normally summertime she'd be packed out. Like it's a little cold this morning, nobody wants to be out here. Golf course, but it's right up the boat ramp. Let's see how it looks in here this morning. They have a nice fish cleaning place there for you. They have a nice fish cleaning spot. Oh man, it's closed for the season. Good thing I ain't caught nothing today. It was pretty nice. I got water and drains. It's nice. Got the restrooms for you to use. They're probably closed for the season too. They got a nice dock down here. You got a heavy boat, you better have some four-wheel drive. It's a drop off for. We couldn't have fished around here and had one little bite. That was 4th of July 2020. I guess sometimes a little building here is open for concessions. I'm not sure. Maybe boat rentals, canoe rentals, that kind of thing. A nice dock down here if you bring your own boat. They don't have any fuel on the premises here that I've seen. So you have to go somewhere to get you some fuel. We do have plenty of canoes and kayaks for rent. So we go out and huff it. So boy, we are doing a little fishing. The boat ramp drops off so bad they got stairs in the center for you to get back up. Nice little fishing place there we tried. They got fairly decent parking. Accommodate you and some picnic tables if you want to have a little snack. 100% sure, but the best wife and I can remember, this place is for rent. It's a little cabin here. Got propane heat, fire pit and all. I'm pretty sure that's the case. You can go to their website and check scstateparks.com. There's a Hickory Knob. Here for sure for rent. And you can check online about pricing. Right here in the center you got a tennis court, basketball, pool there right in the middle. More rooms surrounding the pool and basketball. Park office and all here. You can rent these bad guys here. This is a part of the resort here of the state park. We've never stayed in these. We have brought a camper up here one time, but we've never stayed in these. Park office and all's up here. Pretty neat little place. You see the playground off over there to the right. They got their own convention center here. There's your park office and stuff. Here's a restaurant. Beauty center. On the right hand side, they got more rooms for rent. Little putt-putt. Practice green there. More rooms there. Better look at tennis court. Park staff here is very friendly. Well, I guess I was wrong. Pro Shop's got a few cars parked at it. This is a couple of boys out there braving the golf. Right across from Pro Shop is skeet and archery. Probably gonna be closed, but we'll see. Oh man. Pretty sure that's an archery, not skeet. Picking tables, skeet. Over there they got the platform for a skeet thrower. People has flat been using this thing now. It's a little wet down here, but man, we all done little rabbits on dirt over here. Move things up behind ourselves, not you guys. We should have rented a little booth. The observation area over here. Of course, she's muddy. Ready to grit your teeth and go. I like that, that's pretty nice.